Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it's collaboration time again with the lovely Kate from Dixie Girlxox, and we thought we'd give you a little sneaky peek into two new stamping plates that are going to be released very soon. So I chose the lace plate to do my mani with today, and Kate has done hers with the new camouflage plate. So I'm going to be looking at lace 01. I'm going to do a few swatches and then I'm going to do my tutorial at the end of the video. So on here you've got some really great large lace panels, perfect for those of you with long nails. And then for you with small to mid-sized nails, we've got these ones in the middle here. So this section here reminds me of like crochet work. And then the next section down, this is like netting and would be great for background to like another stamping image. So you could lay these down as your background and then double stamp over the top with a different image. And then we have like a scalloped section here, and I absolutely adore the ones on the end with the tassels. I think they're so cool. But these would be good for like a diagonal across the nail, or maybe just at the top by the cuticle area, or just like as a French. That would look really great. And then these are the other two large panels here on the bottom. I'm also going to be using this new member to the Dixie stamper family, and this is great. This is a foolproof clear stamper. Now normally you have to roll or tap with clear stampers, but this one you can just squish down and it picks up perfectly. So if you are used to squishing down on stampers, this is perfect for you. And I'm just going to show you how clear this stamper really does pick up. And this is straight out of the packet. I haven't done anything to it whatsoever. So I just squish that down onto the image, and as you can see, it's come out flawlessly. There are no missing spots or anything. It's come out really nicely. So I'm going to swatch the rest of the plate now over various coloured swatch sticks, and I'll meet you back at the end for the tutorial. So those are all the swatches. I love how you can change up this lace. You know, you can make it look really bright and summery, or you can make it look really pretty with like a nude base and a black lace stamp over the top. So I'm going to get straight onto the tutorial now. So I'm using all Ugly Duckling colours today, and I'm using a mint green, a purple and a really bright pink. And I'm also using their amazing matte top coat. So I am going to be blending these three colours together, and I'm using the Dixie Ombre brush for this. And if you do have this brush at home, then the best way to use it is with just the tip of the brush. Don't use the whole brush because you'll just wipe product off. So I'm going to be applying all three colours to the nail. Now the blend doesn't really matter because I'm stamping over the top. If you wanted to do like a baby boomer or something, or get a really nice ombre going on, then Kate has a great video on her channel using the brush in a slightly different way to how I use it. So I'll leave her link for that video in the description box below. So once you've got the colours on the nails, you leave them wet, and then with the tip of the ombre brush, I just go side to side and up and down as well. And obviously I'm not going to get a great blend between the green and the purple because they don't naturally blend together, but purple and pink do. So I found I got a better blend with those two colours. So once your first coat is cured, I go in with just a second coat because these Ugly Duckling colours are really pigmented. I found I only needed 2 coats. So I'm just going in with a second layer now and repeating the steps. And just to quickly mention, to clean out your brush in between each colour change, I just used some isopropyl alcohol on a wipe to clean mine. So I cured that second coat and then added a layer of the matte top coat and cured that, and then I just went in with my stamping. And then before adding my final layer of matte top coat, I do just take the Ugly Duckling Ombre tool and go around the edges and separate the stamping polish from my nail, so I'm not sealing in any of that stamping polish that I don't want. And then I couldn't help myself. I saw my crystal stack on the side and thought, oh, I'm just going to add some crystals to this. So I've got some Swarovski AB crystals here, and I use the rubber top coat from the gel bottle and just one of these micro brushes to apply it with. And in between the little flowers, I'm going to use a Swarovski crystal for the middle. So I just apply some of the gel, pop a crystal in there, and then once I've done all of the fingers, I'll cure that in my lamp. And here are the finished nails. It's so nice to have some bright nails on, and the sun is shining today. Hoorah! So I really hope you enjoyed a little sneaky peek of the lace plate, guys. Go and check out Kate's channel. I'll leave her link in the corner for you now, and go and see the camo plate. So I really hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one.